hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do this half up half down freestyle quick weave. Today we'll be using bundles from Klaiyi hair. I'm just showing you guys a few gifts they added into my box. Those lashes were actually really cute. These are 24, 26, 28 body weight bundles. I did wash them before installing. So let's get into this install. I'm going to start off by pouring out the amount of hair that I want in my ponytail. After sectioning that off and putting it into a ponytail, I'm going to then pour out the amount of leave out I need to cover up my tracks. And we're just going to put that hair into a ponytail as well. If y'all have watched any of my previous videos, y'all know I like to mold my hair down, so I'm going to go in with my black gel and do 2 big braids for my mold under my cap. After putting on my cap, I'm going to go in with my Robert's Diamonds protective shield as well as some Got2b glue spray and sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. For my half up half downs, I like to lay my first couple of tracks at the nape of my neck, and then I'm going to go in and start laying my tracks towards my face. Now that I've put all 3 bundles in, I'm going to go in and flutter in my leave out that's covering my tracks and then put that into a ponytail. So I just spun all the hair I wanted for my ponytail, and now I'm going to start parting out each braid. I was actually very nervous to do these braids, but it actually wasn't hard. I didn't have to redo them at all. So yeah, you're just going to part out a skinny amount of hair and then just start braiding. I would recommend to look up how to braid videos because I definitely could not explain to somebody how to braid. Like I said, I was nervous because I'm not much of a braider. Now I'm finished with my braids and they looking really good. So I'm going to start molding down my ponytail. I didn't show y'all how I did my ponytail, but I basically just put my hair in a ponytail and then did a bun. Like, I didn't pull my hair all the way through. So that's kind of how, like, I'm going to have that kind of flip claw clip look. At the end, I did insert a clip of how that looks from the back. After seeing it from the back, it should be self-explanatory. I did add Heat Protectant, BioSilk, and hairspray to the bundles before flat ironing, and I like to go in with my Baby Bliss flat iron instead of my Hot Shot Tools flat iron that I like to use for like my natural hair, because I think Baby Bliss just silks weave differently than I think it's because this is a titanium flat iron and the other is ceramic, so I think they just react differently to different types of hair. Like, my ceramic iron gets my leave out straight into a T, but I think the Baby Bliss adds like shine to the weave, etc. Recommend this hair to use for a quick weave. It straightened really well to be body wave hair, and I do recommend you guys to wash the bundles beforehand. It was also really soft and full. I did blend my ends to give it a more fuller look. This is the finished product. I think it turned out so cute. This style was kind of complicated, but it's really easy once you get into it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, as well as any styles y'all would like to see done next. Like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye, y'all.